Are you happy with your Google ratings, or would you like to have more ratings, and not only from your customers that like to complain, but also from the ones that are happy with your service? I built a solution for this. It's EasyRating, and I will just show you how easy it is to get good feedback from your customers. First of all, we sign in if you already have an account, or sign up with email and password. Then we get to the dashboard. Now all we have to do is find our company entry on Google. There it is. Now we only need to subscribe to activate the QR code. Let's start a subscription. Now as we are subscribed, we can download the QR code. It's activated and we can put it on display stands, stickers, flyers, and put them wherever our customers can see them and rate us. Now what happens when a customer scans the QR code? The first thing they see is this screen where they can just give us a rating. Let's imagine we have a customer who is very happy and he gives us 5 stars. We say thank you for the rating, and he has the chance to give us a Google review as well. Now what if the customer is not that satisfied and only gives us 2 or 3 stars? The customer gets forwarded to this feedback form, sends us a feedback, we say thank you again, and in our dashboard we can see the feedback we just got. So it's that easy to get a good feedback and good Google ratings from your customers. If you have any questions, write them to the comments. I will put a link in the description, and thank you for your time.